Hi, my name's Sam. I'm a digital product designer on the catalog team, and I'm here to show you the brand new color guide. Let's jump into it. The color guide is a resource that shows all of colors recognized by BrickLink. It also shows their identification numbers and a timeline of when they were active. You're able to find parts in a specific color, what sets they're in, and which ones are for sale. So this is the new color guide page. We have a few new additions to this page, specifically a compact view, so you can see a little more information at once on the screen. But keeping with the classic views, we have the list with images view as well as a list without images. In this new version of the color guide, we've added the Lego color names to the BrickLink color guide. And this way you can translate the BrickLink colors to Lego colors. For the new color guide, you can sort by color name, Lego color name, as well as the quantity of parts, sets, wanted, and for sale items, as well as the start and end date. You can also select the different arrows in the columns to sort by ascending and descending. On the new color guide page, we're introducing filters. On the left-hand side of the page, you can find the different categories you can filter by. If you wanted to look at all of the brown colors, you can look at the brown color family. We're also introducing keyword search, so you can search both the BrickLink and Lego color names. We're also introducing a year's color existed search, where you can find out when certain colors were active. We also have a show only filter section where you can see just active colors or standard colors and special colors. Well, that's all the features we have for the new color guide. We can't wait to see what you use this new color guide for to unlock new possibilities for your mocks. Feel free to comment any questions you have below and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.